I'm Sheldon with RV Depot Supercenter in beautiful Cleburne, Texas. This is the beautiful AIRSTREAM Flying Cloud 30 FB, the most family-friendly camper out there. On the outside, you'll notice a huge awning that covers the entire 30-foot length of the trailer. There is awnings around every window outside, 2 air conditioners up top, and the whole roof is covered with solar panels. This model doesn't come with leaf springs. It comes with rubber torsion suspension, so it's gonna give you the best pull on the market. Let's check out inside. When you walk in, you got a beautiful master bedroom with a queen size bed, tons of storage up top. Got a nice little curtain here to close off. Privacy bedroom. You have some coat hooks right by the front door with the little whiteboard. Here you have a beautiful dinette that turns into a bed with a telescope table. You also have a nice little sofa here that'll turn into a bed as well. Lots of overhead storage here, all the way across. One of my favorite features is the awesome skylight, so you can bring in the natural sunlight. Check out these air vents, how you can point them anywhere or even dampen the air off if you don't want a big airflow in the area that you're in. When you're having dinner at the dinner table, you have an awesome little TV here with a swing arm. Lots of windows all across the top there. Complete aluminum interior walls and ceilings. Big fridge, electric fridge that'll run off the solar panels. And a freezer up top. You have your convection microwave, 3-burner stovetop. Lots of storage space inside here. Here's a little pantry area. Making our way into the spacious bathroom. You have a porcelain toilet, a big shower, lots of storage in the bathroom. And here's my favorite part, full-size bunk bed, and then you have a smaller bunk on top. With these bunk beds, this is AIRSTREAM's most family-friendly trailer. And then you also have another skylight in the bunk area as well, with the privacy curtain for the kids. These quality AIRSTREAM trailers won't last long. We don't get very many of them. They go super fast. If you're interested, come see me or give me a call. The number on the bottom of the screen, or ask for me at the front desk. I'll be here to help you out.